Look at all the puppies. Look, there's more over there.
Mama, look at the bottom.
Oh, well that's fun. Look over there. More puppies. Hi, puppy. Hi. Oh. Like I'm busy. Oh my goodness. There's puppies everywhere. Oh.
Tell me the playful one.
It's just like right in the middle. Yeah, put your hand in again. No. I'm on my break. I'm planning my escape.
Sorry, dude.
This is my bottle. Mine. Yeah, let's go see the puppies that are walking around. Come on. They cleaned up the mess.
Last time.
Oh, look how cute they are.
What is in his mouth? Probably a treat.
Okay, go that way. Can you kneel down and give it a hug? They picked it up.
Yuck.
Oh. There's one over here. Do this one. Oh, put it in your hand. Like open your hand up and give it like. Oh. Yeah, it's sitting.
It's like
He's like, ooh, treats.
The puppies have to stay on the floor, please. Thank you.
All right, Leora, should we go? Did you give one to the little ones?